travel shouldn't be an excuse not to do this. You know, for the benefit you're going to gain, it's worth it. It really is. I work for an oil company in the U.S. We have an oil field in the Sahara Desert, and I'm the manager of the entire project. I'm from Louisiana, and when I'm not home on the farm, I'm here in the desert. I have video conferences with people from all over Europe, uh, Africa, of course, and even in Asia. So appearance for me was, that was a big worrying aspect of my teeth. Probably the last 4 or 5 years, I've noticed that my teeth were getting a bit brittle. I'll have, chip off or a crack, and that gets to be very painful. I knew that I had to do something. I found new teeth now on the internet, and it was like a ton of information. Just I couldn't believe that they were actually doing this. This is what I was hoping I would find. And the more I researched new teeth now, and the more I dug into the webinars, the patient testimonials, and all of the process, I was sold. And I made the phone call and set up a consultation. And when I went in and talked to Dr. Kirkpatrick, it just sealed the deal. Explained the whole procedure to me, what he was going to do, why they were doing it, and to get that first set of temporary teeth already made, so that the day of the surgery they'll be able to put them in, and it was that easy.
Wow, they're beautiful. It feels great. It really does. With the new teeth, I can be me. I can smile. I can be more personable. Thanks to new teeth now, I am more confident, more happy, and very satisfied. Now with the new teeth, I feel like I'm back to eating whatever I want, however I want, and with no holds barred. Because I know that they're secure, I don't have any worries about these coming off or breaking or any of that. Do the research and see if new teeth now would be a fit for you, because the work they're doing there is phenomenal. The new technology, the hands-on, the personable treatment that I got, bar none, it was great. So all in all, I have no regrets, none. It was worth every minute and every penny. It really was.